Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Predictions 2025 interviews. I'm Elisa Stupar. I'm a marketing specialist here at BEC, and today I have with me Arnold Vogt, our principal analyst. Welcome, Arnold.
Hi, Elisa.
Now, everybody's talking about Gen AI and AI agents. So, are companies, for example, from traditional industries like manufacturing, ready to implement these solutions at scale today?
Well, so what we see is that most companies are ready for POCs, proof of concept, or for point solutions, but not necessarily for implementations at scale.
But why is this the case?
Well, the reason is pretty simple. It is complex, right? So, especially for large organizations in manufacturing to overcome their many data silos in IT and OT. And the value of doing this was often not concrete enough for them.
But what is changing now?
Well, thanks to Gen AI and ChatGPT, companies understand now much better the value. And we see more and more that manufacturing companies are willing to overcome their data silos in IT and OT. Therefore, we expect to see strong investments in this topic in 2025.
Interesting. And why do you believe this is happening now?
As mentioned, one reason is really that companies understand the value much better today. Another reason is the increasing competitive pressure to become ready for the age of AI agents. And finally, we see more offerings from companies like Databricks, Cognite, even Microsoft Fabric is coming onto the market. And we see a growing number of partnerships between IT and OT vendors to bring these solutions to the market. We see Schneider Electric together with Databricks. We see Rockwell Automation with Cognite. So these are the reasons.
I understand. And what is PEC doing specifically in this area?
The market is still in an early stage, and we want to provide transparency. So we started already this year to look into the vendor landscape in this field in a PAC radar. We call the topic Industrial Data Fabric. As the market is moving fast in this space, we will review this topic again in our next PAC radar in 2025.
Amazing. Thank you so much for your insights, Arnold.
Sure.